Hey there guys, we made it through another week, which means that we are going to draw today. So I'm going to draw my favorite food today, which is a taco. And you're going to want to start out just by drawing the bottom of the taco, which is a slightly curved line. And you're going to want to curve it up just a little bit, and then bring a loop over. It looks kind of like a weird misshapen hat, but you'll figure out why there's a little bit of space here in a minute. Next thing you want to do is you're going to add the toppings. So let's add some slices of cheddar peeking out, just as some points. And then you can add some ground beef. Ground beef is kind of like circular, like cloud-like texture, so you can just have that peeking out around the taco. And then of course you can have some lettuce in the back. And then some tomato slices, which are going to be round with a little bit of an edge to them, and then some lines going in the middle. And then of course the last part is to give this taco some eyes. With a little mouth. Some eyebrows. And you can also go through and color the taco in. I just happen to have some bright colored markers, so I'm going to make the shell kind of a bright orange. The cheese is going to be yellow. The tomatoes are going to be kind of a bright red. The lettuce, of course, is green. And the ground beef is brown. And the last thing that you can do to make this taco look like it's standing up is you can draw a little bit of a shadow in front of it. The marker is running dry. And there you have it. You can draw this taco, or you can draw another favorite food that you love, and I look forward to seeing what you come up with. All right, good luck.